Kasi, naghahanap sila ng ebidensya. And the only way, plano nila, iipitin namin ng iipitin to hanggang sa muntik na ito mamatay para makuha namin ang ebidensya. Anong katangahan yan? Kung may ebidensya ka sa simula pa lang, diba? Last year pa kayo nag-a-announce, Franz Castro, paulit-ulit, impeachment. Tapos ngayon, Joel Chua magsasabi, there's probable cause, but we're short of time because it's already the election. So, ibig sabihin, accountability of public funds is less important kasi uunahin natin ang election ninyo. Oh, so ibig sabihin, ano, wala ebidensya. Last year pa yan eh. Dapat final nila last year. Wala eh. Ginagamit nila yung COA. Humingi hanggang makahanap kayo ng anong pwede namin gamitin. And all because we are in this fucking mess. All because gusto ni Martin Romualdez mag-president. Hindi siya makontrol ng presidente natin. Na hindi marunong magdesisyon. Walang decision-making skills at all. Zero. We are wasting time as a country on what we need to do. Putang inang kawawa na tayo. Pero nandito tayo. God, nandito tayong lahat. Fishing for evidence so that we can demolish a family that is a threat to our personal gain. We are wasting time. This country should be working on being competitive, jumping to middle income, aspiring to be a first world economy. What the fuck are we doing? We're doing nothing at all. Magkano ang dollar? Nasaan ang remittance ng mga OFW na inaasahan lagi ng gobyerno na hindi naman dapat? We're wasting time as a nation, as a people. We made a mistake with that fucking Marcos. And we are wasting time. Yes, anong tanong mo?
Naniniwala po ba kayong tatayuan ng COA ang kanilang mandato or eventually, sorry for the term, ilalaglag din nila kayo eventually?
Ma'am, I told you, diba? I-review nyo yung hearing. Yung hearing kanina. Ay, nung last hearing. Nung tinanong si COA. Oh, COA. Ay, ano pa, apelido nun? I don't remember. Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Diba? Gusto mo rin magtrabaho? Yes! I need to work on the notice of suspension. I have a video of Cordoba talking shit about me and Yusek Lopez.
So COA and House of Representatives are working together? Yes.
Last question.
Actually, sila lang ang working together and lahat ng taong bayan are just parang playthings to the rich. They don't care. They don't care about you. Wala.
Thank you.
alas na lang, what will happen to Atty. Lopez po? Ano nangyari? Babalik ko siya sa HOR or sa Mandaluyong? Paano yung detention?
Well, I really do not know right now what will happen to her. We just trust that the doctors know what they are doing, and then we entrust to them her healthcare plan. So, kung ano yung gusto ng doctor, kung ano yung gusto ng nanay, yun yung susundin namin.
But how's her health status?
As I said kanina, hindi mo siya makausap eh. But she answered some questions of the doctor. Pero hindi lahat din. And then, pag kami yung kumakausap sa kanya, hindi siya nagsasalita. And really, I'm worried kasi kanina din, inano niya yung ballpen pa. Ginaganyan niya yung ballpen na sinabihan namin siya. Sinabi niya sa amin na ayoko na ito, make this stop. And I will stop this. Yan, mga ganyan na mga ano. And she already said her piece kanina before she started vomiting. She said her piece. Parang she doesn't feel safe. And she is astounded by the lack of rules. She is astounded by the assault to democracy.